Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Stroth Consultech, having been run this company for last 5 years, focusing on small and medium businesses for their growth. And with this Hatke as an interview series, we have been talking to various industrialists, various leaders, various thought leaders, eminent personalities who have done difference not only at Indian level but also international level. And we have a great privilege to have none other than Dr. Mashelkar with us. I bow to him. Thank you, Doctor. तुम्ही ॲक्च्युली माझं दैवत आहात पहिल्यापासून.
Thank you.
You have been my inspiration, so I am just blessed to even have you here. So he's the one who is a global thought leader, proud Indian, has been recipient of 3 highest civilian awards in India, the brain behind innovation and IP rights in India, having played various roles in various research and in the educational space. And just to start, Doctor, I wanted to ask. I was reading in one of the book. It is referred that you are being referred as dangerous optimist.
Mm-hmm.
So I got curious. I was very careful even to utter that word to you. But what's the perspective of being optimist and how do you relate to it?
Well, in Marathi, as we say, Dudan mein Ashavadi. I think that's a proper way of putting it. Look, I personally believe that there are always two ways of looking at anything that you see. For example, if you keep a half glass full and a half glass empty,
Right.
then people will look at just the empty part of it and write editorials on that and keep on cribbing about it. I look at the full part of it, basically. If there is a darkness suddenly, then people who are sitting there, they will start cursing the darkness. My mindset is different. I go and bring out, say, a candle to light up. So I've never tried to be a part of a problem, always a part of a solution, so as to say. And many times, your aspirations are your possibilities, your dreams are your possibilities. So dreaming big also makes you sort of achieve things.
Superb.
And also there is a way of looking at things. I remember, just to illustrate the point,
Please.
Delhi University Physics Teachers Association had invited me to inaugurate something, and they were very discontented at that time. They wanted to take a morcha on Vice Chancellor's office because there's some problem there and so on. And the person who introduced me, like you did just now, introduced me, and then he said, as you know, we are all in coma, and Dr. Mashelkar will tell us what to do. So I had just 30 seconds to just walk to the stage, even less than that, and say something. And I said, maybe the gentleman did not mean to say that we are in coma, but he meant we are at a comma.
At a comma.
Swarpaviram, comma.
Swarpaviram, yeah.
And what is the beauty of that comma? That you're written half sentence, you have to still write the remaining sentence, and then the next one, and then the para, then the page, then the chapter, and it can become a golden chapter if you write that sort of positively. And sort of a miraculous effect. So after I left, they were supposed to take moja, but there was a discussion. And then anybody who said anything negative, they said, what did Professor Mashelkar say? Not coma, but comma. And they dropped going there. So it's a question of looking at the thing, and bringing the positive energy out of it. So there is a convocation that I've given on what is called as embracing the religion of positivism, where I've said that even in a country like India, where everybody looks at it negatively, all this, etc., how in everything we can find basically a solution. So right from my childhood, I have developed this sort of tendency. So what happened, Narayana Murthy on the other day in a public meeting said, whenever I'm depressed, which is very rarely, his wife Sudha tells him, Hey Murthy, why don't you call Mashelkar? So that's the way I feel. Yeah.
So it's like It's not dangerous optimism, but I would call it as it's like a medicine that you have. You are
Yeah,
source
yeah,
of energy, source of positivity, and
that's
it's
right.
all flowing.
Yeah.
Uh, mm, Actually, it could be called as, in Sanskrit it's called as srot. You're a srot of
Yeah.
energy to
Yeah.
many, and definitely. So just going back to 2000, actually 3rd June 2000, where this book called as Reinventing India, and then you addressed with APJ Abdul Kalam, where the whole ideology of what India should be and India would be was thought through. Uh, so looking back there, what was your feeling? And now 2020, I would just eliminate the part that current state, but where do you look India is right now? And